boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Zach Bryan here with a song called Cannonball, and this is one of the songs that belongs to his new latest album, one of the 25 tracks. Yes, you heard it, 25 tracks, so a lot of good stuff, good candy, sweet that comes out from Zach nowadays. And right at this moment, I forgot about the name of his album, something with heaven on top or something like that. Yeah. Anyway, this is a great song. Let's go into the Cannonball. And as you can see, Cape on fourth, absolute best scenario for us. We have 5 different chords to go over. Let's start with that. So we're gonna play this first chord, a long name, G add 9 add 13. We can just call it G. It goes with my ring finger. That's how I hold this grip. Ring finger on 3rd fret E string, then index on 2nd A, then open D, then mid finger on 2nd G, open B, and open E. That's a G. Next is the C major 7 with the G note added. Okay, so it goes 3rd E, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, open E. Then we have the E minor 7, open E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and high E, open high E. Then we have the D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And finally the C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So let's go into it. We have basically 2 different parts to handle, the verse and the chorus. And if you grab the first chord, the G chord, 1 string around goes like this. So it's 1 down, a short pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, a couple rounds. So after that up, down, up, you immediately start the down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, in that way. So let's go into the verse play. You're going to play G, 4 string rounds. Then the C, G, that means the C major 7 slash G. You're going to play it for 4 string rounds. Then you have the E minor 7, 2 string rounds. Then D, 2 string rounds. And finally C, 4 string rounds. All that considered 1 chord progression round. You're going to play for 2 rounds. So let's do 1 round together. It goes like this. G, G, C, G, E minor, D, and C. And there you have it. I played 2 rounds for you. Why not? It's a great sound there. So anyway, that's what you're going to do as well. 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse. Then into the chorus at 50 seconds in. And you were something and so on. And that's where on the lyrics. Smile enough, I believe it was where we are in the lyrics. And anyway, we're gonna play E minor, 2 string rounds, D, 2 string rounds, then the G chord, 2 string rounds, and the plain C, 2 string rounds. And you're gonna play that chord progression, E minor, D, G, C, for 2 chord progression rounds. Let's do that. And there you have the first chorus. And that's pretty much what you're going to play. Now, into the second round, you're going to play 2 rounds of that verse, in the same way as we started with the first one. And in the second chorus, you're going to play 3 rounds instead of 2. Then you're going to jump back to the third verse and play again 2 rounds. So the verses are played in the same way all the time. And the third chorus is played in 2 rounds, okay? After that third chorus, you're going to jump into the outro part. And what you're going to play there is E minor, 2 string rounds, D, 2, and G, 4 string rounds. You're going to play for 6 rounds. So 1 or 2 rounds goes like this. D, G, 2, 3, 4 again. keep on doing that. 6 rounds, I believe it's something like that, 5 or 6 rounds. Anyway, that's how it ends, and that's a great ending from Zach Bryan. Cannonball was the song. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.